Welcome to the lecture series of differential calculus. Today we are going to see a problem under evolute. Look at the question. Find the evolute of the curve x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So for this curve, this is an equation of an ellipse. So for this curve, the first step is we have to write the parametric equation. The parametric equation of the given curve x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. So this is the parametric equation for the ellipse. So here x is a cos theta, y is b sin theta, so the parameter in theta. So we have to find out dx by d theta. So differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, a is a constant, so minus a sin theta, dy by d theta is equal to b is a constant, differentiation of sin is cos theta, so b cos theta. Now dy by dx, first derivative, that is y1, dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, that is b cos theta divided by minus a sin theta. So that is equal to minus b by a, cos by sin is cot theta. So our y1 is equal to minus b by a cot theta. Now we have to find out our second derivative, that is d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is nothing but d by dx of dy by dx, that is equal to d by d theta of dy by dx into d theta by dx. So d by d theta of dy by dx is nothing but minus b by a cot theta into reciprocal of dx by d theta. Dx by d theta is minus a sin theta, so we can write it as 1 by minus a sin theta. So here minus b by a is a constant, we can keep outside. Differentiation of cot theta is minus cosecant square theta into 1 by minus a sin theta. So here minus into minus plus, plus into minus, again minus. So minus b by a square, 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. Already one cosecant square is there, so we can write this as cosecant cube theta. So our y2 is minus b by a square cosecant cube theta. This is our y2. Now we have to find out our x bar. X bar formula is x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. So what is our x? X is a cos theta minus y1. y1 is minus b by a cot theta into 1 plus y1 square. So b square by a square cot square theta whole divided by y2. What is our y2? y2 is minus b by a square into cosecant cube theta. So now we are going to simplify this. So that is equal to a cos theta minus a square by b sin cube theta. 1 by cosecant cube can be written as sin cube theta in the numerator into b by a cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta into 1 plus b square by a square cos square theta by sin square theta, because cot square can be written as cos square by sin square. Now you can see that b and b we can cancel. So b you can cancel, a and square will cancel. So write the remaining a cos theta minus a, here we can cancel the sin and the 3. So we can get only sin square theta. Here one cos theta is there, cos theta into 1 plus b square by a square into cos square theta by sin square theta. Okay. Now in the next step, a cos theta minus 1 into this term, a sin square theta into cos theta, here plus into minus minus, a sin square theta cos theta, a sin square theta cos theta into b square by a square into cos square theta sin square theta. So we can cancel the a and the square, sin square theta sin square theta. So write the remaining a cos theta minus a sin square theta cos theta. Here it is cos theta, b square cos square theta. So we can get only minus b square by 1a is there, a into cos square. So cos cube theta. So in these two terms we can take the a cos theta commonly outside. So a cos theta into 1 minus sin square theta minus b square by a cos cube theta. 1 minus sin square can be written as a cos theta into 1 minus sin square can be written as cos square theta. So cos square theta minus b square by a cos cube theta. So this is nothing but a cos square into cos. So we can get a cos cube theta minus b square by a cos cube theta. So now in both the term we can take the cos cube theta outside. So write the remaining a minus b square by a. Okay, that is equal to cos cube theta into, you can cross multiply this, a square minus b square divided by a. Okay, therefore our x bar equal to cos cube theta into a square minus b square divided by a. We can call this as equation 1. Next we are supposed to find y bar. So write the y bar formula. Y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Okay, that is equal to, what is our y? Y is b sin theta plus 1 plus y1 square, b square by a square cot square theta divided by y2 minus b by a square cosecant cube theta. So that is equal to, here also we have to simplify, b sin theta plus into minus minus a square by b sin cube theta into 1 plus b square by a square cot square can be written as cos square theta divided by sin square theta. So here also b sin theta minus a square by b sin cube theta, 1 into the first term, plus into minus minus a square by b sin cube theta into b square by a square cos square theta divided by sin square theta. So now you can cancel the a square and a square, sin square and the 3, and you can cancel the b and the square. So what is the remaining? B sin theta minus a square by b sin cube theta minus, here what are the remaining terms? Minus, look at this, sin theta is there and here it is cos square theta is also there. So we can get a square by b sin cube theta. So only b is there, b sin theta into cos square theta. We can get only sin theta and cos square theta. Now here also b sin theta and in this term also b sin theta we can take commonly outside. So if you are taking b sin theta from the first and last term, we can write this as 1 minus cos square theta, and write the second term as it is minus a square by b sin cube theta. So 1 minus cos square is nothing but sin square theta. So that is equal to b sin theta into sin square theta minus a square by b sin cube theta. So that is equal to b sin cube theta minus a square by b sin cube theta. So in both the term we can take the sin cube theta outside. So write the remaining b minus a square by b, that is equal to sin cube theta into b square minus a square divided by b. This is our y bar. So now we have to eliminate the parameter from x bar and y bar. Now we are going to eliminate the parameter theta from x bar and y bar. So what is our x bar? Equal to cos cube theta into a square minus b square by a. So from this, cos cube theta equal to a x bar divided by a square minus b square. So now raise to the power 2 by 3 on both sides. Raise to the power 2 by 3 on both sides. So what will happen? Cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3 divided by a x bar power 2 by 3 divided by a square minus b square power 2 by 3. So this is our term we are getting from the x bar. So look at this one, cos power 3 whole power 2 by 3 means cos 6 by 3, that is our cos square theta. So the left hand side will become as cos square theta equal to a x bar power 2 by 3 divided by a square minus b square power 2 by 3. So we can call this as equation 3. And similarly from the y bar, okay, what is our y bar? Y bar equal to b square minus a square divided by b into sin cube theta. So this is our y bar. From this sin cube theta equal to b y bar divided by b square minus a square. Now here also raised to the power 2 by 3 on both sides. So what will happen? Sin cube power 2 by 3, that is sin square theta equal to b y bar power 2 by 3 divided by b square minus a square power 2 by 3. So we can call this as equation number 4. Now look at our equation 3 and 4. So we are adding the equation 3 and 4. So adding 3 plus 4 implies sin square theta plus cos square theta. Left hand side is sin square plus cos square theta equal to what? A x bar power 2 by 3 divided by a square minus b square power 2 by 3 plus b y bar power 2 by 3 divided by b square minus a square power 2 by 3. Now our left hand side is nothing but 1. So that is equal to a x bar power 2 by 3 divided by a square minus b square power 2 by 3 plus b y bar power 2 by 3 divided by a square minus b square power 2 by 3. Now look at this one. Here I have written b square minus a square and here I have written a square minus b square, because when you are changing the variables from b square to a square, we can get minus 1 power 2 by 3. Minus 1 power 2 by 3 can be written as minus 1 square power 3. So that value is positive only. So that is the reason why b square minus a square, in the next step I have written a square minus b square. Now you can cross multiply this. So which implies a square minus b square whole power 2 by 3 equal to a x bar power 2 by 3 plus b y bar power 2 by 3. Now look at this equation. In this one there is no theta. So now we have eliminated the parameter theta from x bar and y bar. So our step 3 is completed. So the last step is we have to replace x bar by x and y bar by y. We can get the evolute answer. Therefore replace x bar by x and y bar by y. So what is our answer? Answer is a square minus b square whole power 2 by 3 equal to ax power 2 by 3 plus by power 2 by 3. Therefore the required equation of evolute answer is ax power 2 by 3 plus by power 2 by 3 equal to a square minus b square whole power 2 by 3. This is the evolute equation for the given equation of an ellipse. Thank you for watching.